Do not consume ginger. If you are suffering from any of these conditions, it can cause serious problems and put your health at risk. A member of the family Zingiberaceae, scientifically known as zingiber, the ginger is a blooming plant and one of the healthiest herbs in the world. The plant is native to China. Due to its high levels of bioactive compounds and nutrients, it has great effects on the entire human body. The ginger can be used both as a medicine and as a food for consumption. This plant has high amounts of enzymes, which help decompose and digest the food and also aid in the detoxification of the body, and it is therefore unusually effective in the treatment of countless health issues and conditions connected with the digestive system. For these reasons, it is considered to be a cure for everything. Despite its positive effects on the body, in some cases consuming ginger can be harmful and put a person's health at risk. Certain conditions in which ginger consumption can be very harmful and even lethal: blood disorders. This plant is helpful in the case of diabetes, obesity, peripheral artery disease, Raynaud's disease because it stimulates circulation and boosts the blood flow. However, these properties can be fatal to a person who suffers from hemophilia. The hemophilia is a genetic disorder where the person's blood has a reduced clotting ability. This means that even a small injury or bleeding can lead to death. The effects of the medications can be neutralized by consuming ginger and thus complicate the situation and lead to deadly hemorrhaging. When taking certain types of medications, people who suffer from diabetes or high blood pressure and have to take medications in order to control these conditions should not consume ginger while taking them due to the fact that it has properties that can lower the medication's effects. The combinations of anticoagulants, insulin drugs, beta blockers or anticoagulants with ginger can be exceptionally harmful. In other words, ginger has properties that reduces blood pressure and stimulates blood thinning, which reduce the effects of the above-mentioned groups of medications. Malnourished and underweight people. Due to the fact that this plant has a large quantity of fibers, thus rising the pH levels of the stomach and stimulating digestive enzymes, consuming ginger or ginger-based supplements can be harmful if you are underweight and you need to gain weight. In other words, it has a fat-burning properties and lowers food cravings. This may lead to poor muscle mass, weight loss, hair loss, menstrual irregularities, etc. Pregnant women. Ginger is rich in stimulants that helps in the digestion processes and helps preserve muscle health. However, it is strictly forbidden to consume ginger in any form during pregnancy. Using ginger may cause preterm contractions and premature labors, especially in the last trimester of the pregnancy. There is also the fact that it hinders the absorption of dietary iron and vitamins with fat-soluble properties. Yet, after consulting a doctor beforehand, very small amounts of this plant can be used to alleviate morning sickness. Effective ginger substitutes. If you have any of the above-mentioned conditions, you can use red paprika, sweet peppers or cayenne pepper, as they are a very efficient ginger substitutes. The world-famous nutritionist Resevic Milka claims that the properties of peppers are very much alike to the ones of ginger. As a spice substitute, you can use red paprika, or if you don't like spicy foods, you can use sweet peppers. Detoxifying drinks can be prepared by adding any of these to a lemonade. If you liked the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.